So I said that we'd have a little bounce Monday or Tuesday, maybe, or both days. And, we've had that, I suppose. We had an attempted bounce. Nasdaq was green, S&P was unchanged, but it's all about the close. If I just look at the 3-minute chart, which is my favorite one, actually, look at this strong bounce, very nice. But look at the way we drift low, and it's all about the close. So S&P, the daily chart says it all. We've come all the way back down. Look at that Friday close, very ugly. I expect we go lower to the next level, big move, 3-4% down or something, whatever it is. But look, an attempted bounce, that makes sense. I think we're going to roll over now. That close to me is enough to say we're not ready for a strong bounce. We could have a bit more green today, but we're just going to go lower. I think it's not possible really to keep going up. I mean, even if there's a surprise peace treaty or something, I really see a move lower. Continuing, Dow Jones, look at that. Look at that ugly close. Like now we're at the level, to be fair. It's matching S&P, but I mean, look at that close on the Dow. So look at the next level. We're going all the way down there. The Nasdaq, by the way, same thing, same thing as the S&P, but look at the Russell. For me, it's always about the Russell. Look at that. It's basically today, Tuesday morning, very early Tuesday morning, we may just touch bear market lows, and we'll probably bounce there. We should. I mean, we can't just close below it, but we could also. And then look at the banks, by the way, maybe even worse. Not in terms of, how close they are to their all-time bear market lows, but it's just the move that you can expect. I mean, that's, what is that? How much of a percentage move? 2%, you can do that any day. And then you're at the last level before the absolute bear market lows. And then you have a banking crisis, probably because, the charts have a way of coinciding with news. And that's the XLF, by the way, KBE, KRE, even worse. Look at the close on these ones, 3-minute chart. Look at that absolute low of day, and that's what the market's not at their low of day. So underperforming, it's destiny, I think. KIE, even worse, I would say. So yeah, my take on the markets is just more of the same. Weak bounces and more flushes, and led by the markets, led by the banks and led by the Russell. So more downside, I expect.